Today was excellent. It blew all my expectations out of the water. This is next level real estate branding training. It's something that the industry needs, something that you as an individual needs, and I can't recommend this highly enough. It's well worth the investment of a day.
The innovation behind it is insane. There's so much you can obviously do and there's so much to crack into, but I think the best part about it is it's just going to make your job so much easier. There's so much more you can do and just save more time as well. Sam's thoughts and innovation towards ChatGPT is going to help you change your business and give you more time to work towards nurturing your clients in real estate.
Well, I would definitely recommend this workshop for anyone that spends a lot of time on content writing, just because it'll provide them with many more hours back in their day that they can put to better uses.
Imagine the unimaginable. AI is going to help you grow your business and you cannot be left behind.